Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 7. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called CLONEit. Now open it, click Allow and agree. You want to go with sender on an Android to send your files and receiver on Realme. Click Allow again and choose Search again. Tap on available device, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, click Allow and scan the code. Accept connection request by clicking OK. Normally you want to tap Follow those folders to send all of your files and click Start. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just click here to choose details and go only with one song. So I have to tap on it, click Start, OK, and wait. Now tap Finish, and if I go into, for example, folder Files and choose Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!